Oh, thank you, you guys. You really shouldn't have, but does that mean I gotta make a video now? So the whole day today I was thinking, how can I thank you guys for 100 subscribers? And I kind of narrowed it down to this one theme where I wanted it to revolve around the number 100. So it got me thinking, and I came up with a few ideas. Some good, some bad, some better but not great, until finally I got hungry. And then I realized that was it. So this is my 100 subscriber milestone video. Hope you enjoy it. I'm here to pick up a mobile order for Jordan.
Mobile order for who?
Jordan?
Jordan?
Yeah. Is this really 100 chicken nuggets though?
Did you get fries?
We got a little toy. It came with the kids meal. There's a kids meal that was free with it, so when you buy 100 chicken nuggets you get a free kids meal, I guess. But let's see if this is actually 100. They actually put numbers on it. You see this? 6 times 2 to 30. Oh my gosh, there's just more and more. I'm hungry, I haven't eaten all day, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, oh wait, you're right, 86, 96. Do you actually have 4 nuggets?
I've got like some Trader Joe's chicken tenders.
I could be down to...
They're big.
Is there 4 in there? We could chop them up. Yeah, so...
Yeah, so that's...
Yeah, right there, that's 4, I'd say.
Yeah, that's 4 right there, basically. I'll put it in the oven.
Okay, thank you. Alright, gauge to save today because Burger King apparently messed up with this a little bit, so 100 chicken nuggets for you guys for getting me to 100 plus subscribers. So look at your 100 chicken nuggets in all its glory. Yeah. So thank you guys for sticking with me and getting me to my 100 subscriber goal. So this is for you guys. Well, at least an attempt for you guys. So let's look back at, some of my old videos, and we'll put a counter for all the nuggets I eat for you guys. So enjoy. Oh, this is the first one. Am I gonna go with honey mustard for my first one? It's a bold move. We got him. It's finally here. We got the
He's not my friend. I didn't get a discount.
Dang it. I didn't even know. Johnny, are you gonna have any of it?
No. Not at all.
You know you like it though. Gonna do anything today, big guy?
Yeah, I'm down.
What are you trying to do? Mobile order, it's for Jordan.
A mobile order for Jordan. Jordan, we have for you.
I found out that Disney Plus just came out today. So to make a little bacon egg. Alright, on my work break, I'm gonna go see if I can get this new lens. 3 words. Free bundt cakes. I think today's gonna be a product review day. Yeah. Tired and sleeping, gonna be late for work soon if I don't hurry up. Oh crap, there's a spider! Time to make some dinner. Store right behind me. They have 89-cent tacos.
Screw you guys.
Wow.
Hate you guys.
Just woke up. It's around 1 p.m. in the afternoon.
Quick lunch break. Well, isn't this the best way to start your day?
Yes.
Mom. Alright, do you
My mom's always late whenever she says What are your thoughts on this place so far?
I like the licorice.
Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna explain, where I was. It's the Canon 50mm f1.8. So what's so good about a photo kind of like this? It's a 3-fire Insta-worthy styles. Not staying the night, or are you like?
I have my overnight bag over there. Drop it in the comments. Is it Hero? Is it Jiro? How's it pronounced?
Alright, let's try this out with the Canon 77D. And it doesn't help my case that we already have a Christmas tree.
You can't see it because it's blue.
I don't believe it.
$5.
This absolutely blows my mind that you could have a full console podcast. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye. And oh yeah, it's finally all done. I started off my photography career, not the best, and because you're out of storage, you don't want to make videos because you know that in order to make new. Oh, it's here? I guess today. What if this happened today? Gotta put my mask on, so it'll mostly be B-roll from here on out. See you guys. I think this bag from Terrion is probably one of the best. Crazy to yeah, can't do this anymore. I'm way too full. It was a good try. I think we had around this many, and I'm gonna put the number up here because I can't count right now. I'm so brain dead after eating all this.
Where
are you going? It was a good try. My stomach is insanely full. Burrito time. Always the best time.
Well, she needs to throw it away. It's dirty.
Why would she leave the Looking back over these past 30 days and kind of seeing, how much cat stuff do you have? What are you doing, stepsister? It's fix the chromatic aberration. Profile correction's fine, I kind of like that. Today's another advanced screening day, and I'm all ready for it, so let's go. So I just finished editing this commercial for TMS, and I thought I'd take this time, to kind of explain my thought process and workflow process. Yes, it worked. Look at boring image right here, and flash it up with overlays and some minutes of doing it. I got something like this. So with the holiday season fast approaching, and there we have it, 100 chicken nuggets. My body is dead. So I am exhausted, extremely full, and probably gonna go into food coma. So in the off chance that I wake up again, I'm gonna make more videos, and I'm gonna be excited to make them for you guys. So thank you guys again for subscribing to this channel. If you're not already, subscribe. Give it a try, and maybe you'll like it. And let's try and get to that next milestone. Let's say 500 subscribers. But I don't know. I gotta go to sleep. So see you later. Bye. So I'm waiting in the parking lot now, which is right across from the drive-thru, and it's because the guy said, and these are his exact words, you ordered too many nuggets. So we're waiting here now, and we're gonna get it soon. He said 5 to 8 minutes, so we'll see.